Hi and welcome to this X8R video demonstrating how to fit our new and improved Citroen C1, Peugeot 107 and Toyota Aygo tail light seals suitable for years 2005 to 2014. The C1 and 107 use the same style tail light, so their seal is the same. However, the Aygo uses a slightly different design of seal and the tail light is removed differently. Please refer to our downloadable instruction guide on our website on how to remove the tail lights for the Aygo. For the Citroen C1 and Peugeot 107, remove the two bolts inside the tailgate using a 10mm socket and ratchet. This will loosen the light and expose the electrical connector at the back. Unplug this and the light will come off. This is the original seal. It is very thin and has started to allow water ingress, which caused leaks in the boot. Remove this seal by peeling it away with a sharp, flat-headed screwdriver. If it does not come away in one piece, then scrape the seal away with the screwdriver. You can also use tar and glue remover to get off any stubborn adhesive. Once it is completely clean, it is ready for the new seal. This is our new and improved seal, made from closed-cell foam, which is water-resistant. It is thicker than the standard seal and prevents water ingress into the boot. It also has a strong self-adhesive backing. Remove the paper backing and line the seal up against the tail light. Once sure of placement, apply pressure to stick it to the light. As you can see, the new seal is a huge improvement against the original. Here we are demonstrating the seal being fitted on a Peugeot 107 tail light, which is exactly the same as the Citroen C1. This is an Aygo tail light which has a slightly different design seal. Our new seal for the Aygo is made of the same material and is the same thickness as the C1 and 107 seal. It also has the same self-adhesive backing. Remove the paper backing and line it up against the tail light. Then apply pressure once completely sure of placement. The Aygo design is slightly more complicated, so be sure that it's lined up against all of the surfaces on the back of the light. When finished, put the tail lights back on the vehicle by connecting the electrical connector. And finally, attach the tail light with the two screws. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us on the number or email address on the screen.